Let me show you how 6C has made our everyday life more convenient.
Dad!
Wow, that's great! My son is taking care of my grandchild in the park. I know it's convenient, but I'm not impressed with him working with an aerial device.
Darian,
Huh?
keep your eyes on your daughter.
That's my daughter-in-law's camera drone. She's supposed to be away on a business trip, but she popped in to check on him by connecting to a smart drone system.
Mom!
Wow! Look who's dancing! Oh yes, there's supposed to be a dance performance next month at a new theater on the moon. What is the younger one doing? Oh, he's cooking my favorite food! Is that for me? I can't wait! Oh? Oh no, how time flies! Time to give my lecture at that overseas university. I need to fix a part of my report. I'm 77, but working with 6C, I feel more energetic and productive than ever! The emulation of radio propagation has been realized in a virtual space, and it is now possible to verify a variety of system combinations in advance. This has created a society where everything is wirelessly connected without interference. Delivery by drone and delivery from the stratosphere will be realized in the near future. Access here for more details.